Hello, and welcome to Lakewood Automation's Product Showcase. In this video, we are looking at the TM Collaborative Robot from Omron Automation. This TM Collaborative Robot is like no other, and today we will be highlighting the key features that makes this robot unique. First up on the key features is the built-in vision camera. This camera has a 5 megapixel color sensor with a built-in light, making it perfect for vision applications as well as robotic guidance. Everyone wants to use collaborative robots for their safety, and they're great because they're designed to work around humans with little to no guarding. However, you sacrifice a lot in terms of speed when you're switching over to collaborative mode. No longer is that an issue with the TM Collaborative Robot. When used in conjunction with another safety device, such as a light curtain, safety scanner, or safety mat, the TM robot can flip in and out of collaborative mode and a full auto mode. The full auto mode will continuously run until an operator enters into the workspace, automatically pausing the robot or switching the robot into collaborative mode to move at a much slower pace and to fit ISO standards. In addition to increased safety measures, collaborative robots are supposed to be functional and swap in and out of different applications. The TM robot's no different, especially with the use of its landmark. By taking an image of the landmark and calibrating all position points through it, it's exactly that. It's calibrated. You can swap machines, swap workstations, and by taking a new image of that landmark, all position points are reprogrammed with position compensation. With ease of access programming, increased safety measures, as well as the flexibility to swap different locations, the TM robot from Omron Automation is great for several different applications. Assembly, machine tending, especially in the CNC industry, pick and place applications, visual inspections, palletizing, screw driving, and dispensing. Dispensing is key here, as the next video posted to this channel, we will be highlighting a dispensing application, the challenges that we face, how to program, and the tips and tricks that we recommend in order to create a successful dispensing application inside the TM robot environment. In this video, we looked at the key features of the TM Collaborative Robot from Omron Automation. We saw the increased safety measures, the on-the-fly calibration, as well as the different applications that the TM robot can solve. That is it for this video. Please leave a like, comment down below your thoughts on the collaborative robot from Omron Automation, and please consider subscribing, turning on that post notification bell so you never miss another Lakewood Automation Product Showcase upload. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.